Yes.
It's online.
No.
No, sir.
That's yes, my lord.
Online.
It's there, but it's muted.
Cover is coming.
Well, I would like to see his face. He's covered himself again, as usual. He has covered his face. We need to see him. Thank you.
Are you sending what time is it? That is muted. That it has been online all this while. We just muted.
Your Honor, I'm not hearing you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, good.
Is it compulsory that my face be shown on video? Otherwise, I want to shut off the video because sometimes it interferes with the voice.
No, let's have your face on.
Oh,
If we
okay.
get to that point where it interferes, then we can take a decision on that. But for now, let's have your face on.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Can you take the camera down a little? Because it's just your
head
that you can hear.
I see only your head.
What? Over my head?
Yeah, take the camera down. Position the phone in such a way that the camera better.
You're welcome back, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Black.
Today, I'll quickly refer you to paragraph.
I've not reminded him of the vote. Witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Do you remember you are still on oath?
Yes, I remember.
Anything
I know.
you say in this court shall be binding on you.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
My lord, the witness was reminded of his vote.
Thank you.
Once again, welcome back. Let's quickly go to your paragraph 16 of your witness statement on oath, which appears to be contradictory. In that paragraph, you said 4 out of 5 member countries supported age 60 retirement. There you mentioned Liberia, Gambia.
Hold on. You said 4 out of 5 countries yes, supported.
The retirement age being fixed at 65.
Yes.
Is that correct? Can you remember you said so?
I indicated part of the country that voted: Liberia, Ghana, Sierra Leone, and the Gambia. Ghana abstained. The 3 countries went for 65 years of age.
Can I hear you loud and clear? Did you say 3 or 4 countries?
I said, and let me repeat, that the vote that was taken, Liberia, Sierra Leone, the Gambia, agreed for 65 years as the retirement age. Ghana to 60. Of course, Nigeria did not vote.
What did you say Ghana did?
There what?
Did you say Ghana did what? Voted or not voted?
I say Ghana chose 60.
60 years.
60 years
So
of
Ghana
age.
chose 60 years.
Oh,
That's
So
what I can hear.
of the
Ghana chose
four,
60 years.
yes.
three affirm 65, and Ghana,
No,
of the 4 countries that voted, 3 affirmed 65 years of age. Ghana affirmed 60 years. Of course,
How about-
Nigeria did not vote.
How about Nigeria?
Nigeria did not vote.
Did not vote.
No.
In your witness statement on note, did you state there that Nigeria did not vote? Did you state that?
Well, it's obvious that Nigeria
Did you
did not
state it there that Nigeria did not vote?
Your Honor, listen, I did not mention Nigeria, but Nigeria did not vote. That's what I said.
What I'm saying is that, did you mention it that Nigeria did not vote? Or
no, you said I did not mention.
I did
why
not
did you
mention.
mention it? Why?
They chose not to vote.
Why did you not mention it? Why did you not mention it?
It's my prerogative to mention it because I was particular about those countries that voted.
Thank you. Now, I'll give you opportunity to either confirm or retrace your step. Paragraph 16 reads as follows: that I was present at the 61st meeting of the Council of the Fourth Defendant, held on 16 May 2022, where the positions of member countries regarding retirement age in the staff handbook was collated. And here you go, 4 out of 5 member countries, viz. Liberia, Ghana, Sierra Leone, and Gambia, voted in favor of retirement age of 65. There you said Ghana voted for 65. Today you said Ghana voted for 60. Which of the two should my Lord believe?
The truth about it is Liberia, Sierra Leone, the Gambia voted for 65 years as the wish. Ghana voted for 60 years.
So you are saying that paragraph 16 of your statement on oath that Ghana voted for 65. It's not true.
I said Ghana voted for 60 years.
Here you said 65 in your paragraph 16.
I can read.
It's not true.
I can read that of the 5 member countries, vis-a-vis Liberia, Ghana, Sierra Leone, and Liberia, the Gambia voted in favor of 65 years of age, contrary to the 60 years that the handbook called for. And
so 3 voted in favor of 60 years, in favor of 65 years.
Contrary to the 60 years provision in the draft handbook, which formed the recommendation of the Council to 34, and because of our vote, that was the recommendation advanced to the Council that the country voted, and that was the outcome of the vote.
Doctor, correct me if I'm
Yes.
wrong. Only 3, not 4, voted in favor of 65 years.
I am saying, and let me repeat, Liberia,
Leave
Sierra
names alone.
Leone,
Let's talk about figures.
the
Figures.
Ghana.
Is it 3 or 4? Figure.
The 3,
or number.
the 4 that voted, 3 voted in favor of 65.
3, not 4.
That's what I said.
Thank you. Now you go on.
Hold on. Doctor.
Yes.
Okay. Are you telling the court that only 3 countries voted for 65?
3 countries voted for 65. Ghana voted for 60. Nigeria did not vote.
Okay.
We'll go on. Now,
and
in that
as a result of that vote, it was a recommendation I was advanced to the council for approval, for the council to take decision on the vote.
We'll go on.
Hold on.
And usually,
hold on.
Okay.
Hold on, doctor.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So as a result of the vote.
What? Let me repeat that.
No, listen to me. As a result of the vote, the council was to take a decision. Is that what you said?
What I'm saying, the recommendation from the vote was advanced to the council so that the council could have taken a decision. But unfortunately, the president, Madam Ciccio Iguelo, outruled the vote that was taken. And
is she madam or a professor?
Professor. Okay, Professor Iguelo outruled the decision of the majority, and it is predicated on that. Liberia took wrote a position statement distancing herself from what the professor has said. It is clear in my position statement.
Okay, so Professor Igbolu overruled the decision.
The decision of the majority.
Okay, and what happened?
Well, I'm going to take him on that, my lord, before he goes on. That overruling of majority by minority, have you, as a person, or as a chair of FNGPC, challenge it in court, in any court? Have you challenged it? That one lady called Professor Igbilo overrule you, one man called Doctor whatever. Have you challenged it in court?
The best, I did not challenge, but the best thing I can do was to challenge. I protested against it and wrote a position statement.
Yes,
and I knew it would have come to this far. I wrote a position statement against the overrule, and I indicated that it was dictatorial.
I'm not asking you what you did.
Did you go to court or not? You are a legal counsel. I am a professor. Give me chance when you ask me questions. Let me put what I know best.
Sir,
I don't want you to trap me
today.
in your legal jargons.
You will answer my question, sir. Whether you call it legal jargon.
Don't trap me in your legal jargon. What I'm saying, the Liberia protested and wrote a position statement against the autocratic behavior of the president.
Sir, did you challenge it in court? Yes or no? Did you challenge this in court? Whether as a person or as Liberia as a chapter, did you challenge it in court?
I think what we did was in the process. It was in the process, and that what led us to this court hearing today. Yeah, everything that you do, there are processes that lead to the finalization of what we protested. We wrote a position statement, secularized the position statement to all the member states, all the stakeholders, indicating that we distance ourselves from the autocratic behavior of the sitting president. Yes. So that's
Are you aware whether Sierra Leone also challenged it in court? Sierra Leone, whether they challenged that decision in court?
I'm not aware.
Yes. Sorry? Are you aware of any suit by Sierra Leone challenging that decision in court?
I am saying I am not aware, but we as a country, we protested.
It's Liberia. That's your country. Is it a co-claimant in this case? Is it a co-claimant in this case?
I don't understand that.
Are you, doctor, or your chapter a plaintiff or a party in this case? Are you?
There's so much disturbance in your alteration. You are distorted.
Ibrahim, is any of your device on?
There's no device on.
No. So we're sorry about that, but the question is whether Liberia or yourself, whether you are either a plaintiff or a defendant in this case. Are you a party to this case?
Listen,
yes or no?
Honor, Liberia as a legitimate member of the college, distinct herself. There was no need, and it was understood by all member states that Liberia distanced herself from the decision of the president.
I know. As a follow-up, you go to court to challenge that dictatorship by the president. Did you go to court to challenge it?
There was no need.
Oh, thank you. Now, I'm going to show you something.
Hold on. Okay, next question then.
Okay. Now, still on paragraph 16, you mentioned the fact that the written position of those who voted for 65 are attached as Exhibit 9. You said, I identify Exhibit C9 as official positions of Liberia, Gambia, and Sierra Leone, submitted to the first and second defendants. And I confirm that Ghana made her position known at the meeting. That's what you said.
That's paragraph 16, right?
Yes, my lord. Let me test you whether you know what you're talking about. I want to test you on Gambia. Who was the president of Gambia that wrote their position on that day? That wrote Gambia's position. Who was the president or secretary that wrote on behalf of Gambia?
The president, the president of Gambia. Are you saying?
Yes, that wrote on behalf of Gambia, which you refer to as C9. which you attach as C9, Gambia's written position. Who wrote on behalf of Gambia?
Well, Your Honor, if I can recollect, this college is based on consensus billing, and when a member state objects, it's an indication that the matter is now over and it could still be further debated to reach a logical conclusion. In fact, at the time, Jimmy Olukoka was the chapter. Jimmy Olukoka.
Answering the question.
Jimmy Olukoka was the chapter chair. Yeah.
Hold on. Can you go back to your answer? I did not get you.
I said
the question was on Gambia. Who was the president or the secretary that wrote on behalf of Gambia, which you refer to as C9?
Thank you, my lord.
Jimmy Olukoka was the chapter chair.
Jimmy
Olukoka.
Okay. Was the chapter chair?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Does that answer your question?
Yes, it does. And did you see what he wrote and signed by? Did you see it? Did you see it?
Oh, yes.
And he signed off on it.
Your Honor, the draft was circularized and people signed on for 65. So yes, positively, yes.
My question is this. You saw Jimmy Coker's signature on Gambia's position on the document?
It was via mail, yes.
You saw it?
Okay.
Okay. From there, I'll quickly take you to paragraph 18, where you stated that the ESCO has no right to approve anything, the staff handbook, on behalf of the council.
Paragraph 18, right?
Yes, my lord.
Is there what?
That ESCO has no right to give any approval on behalf of the council, of the governing council.
Well, what I indicated in this is that any major decision that arrived from the consensus of all member states, it is only then ESCO can approve. That's what I indicated.
Okay.
Once there, let me say it again. Once there is a vote taken and there is a consensus built among member states, then it is only our ESCO can take a decision that will be binding for all member states.
So I will be correct to suggest to you that in some situations, ESCO can take a decision on behalf of the council. Am I right? In some situations, ESCO can act on behalf of council and seek ratification later on.
It's not true. It's not the normal or a normal, it's not a normal function of the ESCO. ESCO only acts on
Are you saying
decision.
ESCO can never
That's what I'm saying.
Is that what you're saying?
ESCO can never act on any major decision that does not meet the consensus. It must be agreed upon all member states before ESCO takes a decision. That is the normal protocol of the college.
No exception to the rule?
No exception.
Very good. You have tendered the Constitution, or you are familiar with that? Of the third dependent. Now, we have it on record that it says that paragraph 5.3.1.
What is the constitutional review provision you are quoting?
You want tender to catch you.
Come here again. I'm not getting the
Constitution was tendered in evidence by Okachi, who you are testifying for. It says the executive committee,
Paragraph referring to the paragraph.
5.3.1. Executive committee shall oversee the planning and execution of programs and activities of the college as approved by council and annual general meeting. The executive committee shall act on behalf of council in emergency. That's what it provides for. Are you still saying that ESCO can never act for council in the light of this provision?
Your Honor, you have just stated an emergency situation. In normal situation, ESCO will not take any major decision that is binding for all member states. ESCO will not do that.
That is correct. But your evidence is that ESCO will never act
when such thing happens,
Hold
ESCO
on.
contacts
Hold on.
member states and to
Hold
get
on.
their buy-in.
Hold on. Having regards to what I have said, what I've read out to you, do you now agree with me that in some situations, ESCO can act for council? Do you now agree? Or you are still saying that ESCO can never act for council?
I said no.
Sorry?
He said no.
That it can never act for council.
So are you still saying that ESCO cannot take a decision on behalf of council?
Never.
And he said no.
No.
What I'm saying, ESCO can never take decision on major issue of this nature unless she derive or collective agreement from member states.
Unless it derives of what?
Or the decision-making process from member states. With the acquiescence of all member states before ESCO can make such decision. Unilaterally, ESCO will never make such a decision.
Are you able to point out any provision of your constitution that supports what you are saying in terms of carrying all member states along before taking decision? Can you point out any provision of the constitution that supports what you are saying?
Your Honor, I may not be able to go through the document as it is, but I am saying as a certain president, as a former president, I am talking with authority that there can never be, there's even no need for such thing like that. As a certain past president.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, we go on. Would you like to confirm who the President and Secretary General were in 2019 when ESCO took that decision?
Hold on. That question again.
Yeah. That would you like to
I
confirm
didn't get it.
who were the President and Secretary General of the third defendant in 2019 when ESCO approved the handbook? Please. Here you are coming. It's my own case. No.
Hold on, let me listen to his objection. Just a minute. What was the objection to the question? Yes. We never stated that the ESCO took
the decision approving the in 2019. We didn't say so in our meeting. The witness has not taken. ESCO and no such approval. And I'm talking like that.
Okay.
Another friend evidently does not appreciate the scope of cross-examination. It's not limited to experience. It's not limited to what Ness has said. It includes my own case. I can prove my case through him under cross-examination. And we have pleaded clearly in paragraphs 27, 27, 28, 29 of our defense that ESCO approved it in 2019. And they have joined issues with us that everything was authoritarian. No approval. We're saying there was approval. And I'm asking that to confirm who was the president in 2019. Who was the Secretary General in 2019? Who was the Secretary General? That's all. Well, Lord, the question is relevant and admissible. The scope of cross-examination is not limited to their pleading or to the evidence. It includes our case. Very good.
The question is leading. The question is leading. The question says who was the president and secretary in 2000 when ESCO approved
the handbook.
like that. going by of the witness, the prosecutor in our own pleadings, we said clearly, yeah, well, look, in the issue of which clearly that the council, the system so if I want to use my test to establish the
We'll get there.
now come and ask you, I love they have not said that they approve as a matter of fact, they are from various dates. They said
Wait until then.
Don't make us recount the question.
Sorry?
Let's move forward. Recount your question.
Confirm who the president was in 2019. No, I think a lot is going on. We need to interrogate the phone of Mr. Okachi. It appears he's communicating with the witness. We need to have his phone. It appears he's communicating with the witness. I may be wrong, but it appears Okachi.
Okachi is communicating with witness. Okay, there's a witness.
Yes, sir. You can have to look at his phone. What is going on here? We need to look at that phone. I'm very serious about it. We need to look at the phone. No. There's commitment going on. That is power. That's power. He's trying to. He's communicating.
Okay, hold on. Mr. Okachi. Are you in communication with the witness as trial is going on? Where's your phone?
No. There's something with you here. Don't say that. I saw you. You have a phone with you. There's a phone with you. There's a phone with him. No, there is a phone with him. You cannot deny there's a phone with him. You can step out. There's a phone with him. I saw it not once. You have a phone with you. You have a phone with you. That's the line you are talking about. He has a phone with him.
Where is Lucy? Where's the inspector? What is she doing in the office?
He has a phone with him.
Let's look. It's okay. Ibrahim, go and sit with Mr. Okachi. Go and sit in the gallery with Mr. Okachi and observe what is happening.
He has a phone with him. Can't deny that.
It's okay, sir. Let's move on. Let's move on before this network will disappoint us.
Please, can you confirm? I saw him, not once, not twice. Even a small boy was signaling to him. I don't know who that boy is. He's not even being called. He was signaling to him.
Online.
Huh?
Who was signaling online?
No, the boy, as I was looking, this young boy was signaling to him that I'm looking at him.
So the little boy.
Yes, my lord.
Young boy.
He was telling me.
Who brought him to court?
Oh,
it's your son.
baby, he was signaling to him. If he's doing anything,
order in court. Ibrahim is an officer of the court. He's behind there and observing what is going on.
Yes.
So let's go on.
So, Mr.
Young boy, sit down. Who are you? What's your name? Odinata. Okay. Sit down. Inspector Lucy, go and sit in the gallery where Mr. Okachi is and observe what is going on. Yeah, we don't want him to communicate with somebody who is giving testimony. So just sit down and observe what's happening. I think that been settled. Okay, yes. So back to the question.
So can you confirm that who the president was in 2019?
You want me to? The
Name of the
president,
president. Yes. Of
um,
the third defendant. Name.
Madam Makiru Jane Kara was the president. Professor Laurel, Professor Wanang was the Secretary General, 2019.
Professor who?
Professor Wanang. Noel N. Wanak.
Professor Wana was the Secretary General.
Yes. And let me say this. Let me say this.
Oh, you are not saying anything. You're asking for a question you have
wait.
answered.
Look,
The next
listen.
question is.
Listen,
No,
I am, please give me chance. Do not bully me. Look, I am past president of the college. What I am talking about, I am versed in what I'm talking about. There's no need for anybody to coach me anyhow, because I have been past president. And I'm not here to be bully with your legal jargons. So what I know,
What did you say again?
I say I am not here for you to confuse me with your legal jargons. I'm not.
Can you
The other
take
day
it
you
back?
asked me whether I'm a lawyer.
Take it back.
I say I'm not.
Insulting.
I am not a lawyer. I'm a professor.
It's very insulting. Take it back, please.
Dr. Tahir. Is it Tahir? What's his name? Tahir.
You got jargon?
Can you withdraw that statement?
It's very rude of
The
you.
legal. Okay, whatever you
Withdraw
say.
it first and apologize. What's the meaning of that?
Mr. Tahir?
Which what do you want me to withdraw?
Withdraw that statement
And
with
apologize.
the legal jargon. This is an online trial.
Okay.
And it's zoomed on YouTube live. Withdraw that statement, please.
It's hereby withdrawn.
Thank you. Go and say no more.
And let me say it equally so. I am a professor of medicine, of pharmacy. You are legal luminary. So let's respect one another as we go through this proceeding. Whatever I say is from my own conscience and as past president of the college. So I know exactly what I am saying. Nobody to coach me.
Okay, it's noted. Let's go ahead then.
Thank you. Now, as the past president, that's the president in 2019, has he complained to you in writing that her signature in any of the minutes of meeting was forged?
I cannot answer that.
No, you have to. That she signed some documents. Has he complained to you that her signature was forged on the minutes of meeting? Has he complained to you?
I say I cannot answer such a question like that. If whatever the situation, she had the right, especially when Liberia objected to that, she had the opportunity to have expressed that in council. I did not hear her say anything of that nature.
No, I'm asking about the president in 2019.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
2019 president.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's move on.
How about the Secretary General? Has he complained to you, 2019 Secretary General, that his signature was forged, the professor? On any of the
I cannot answer that, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Now, are you aware? You must be aware that Mr. Ukachi was suspended at a time by the third defendant. He went on suspension without pay. Are you aware?
Yes, I'm aware.
You are aware that he was on suspension without pay. You are aware?
Say yes.
I said
the reason why he was suspended.
Well, for you, the Nigerians, you have culture. And if somebody disrespects your culture, that person is punished. And whatever Okachi was suspended for, it was primarily based on his arrogance to constituted authority. And so it had nothing to do with the organization or the college. But I mean, that is Nigeria.
He was suspended by the college. Am I right? He was suspended by the college. Am I right?
He was suspended.
By the college.
He was suspended.
Who
Yes,
suspended
then he
him?
was suspended. Then the next question, can you tell the court why he was suspended?
Well, he was suspended because he disrespected some high ups, and that was something that people did not take light, and were brought before the college, and the college being so much dominated by Nigeria, he was suspended.
He was suspended based on what? I didn't get that. It's raining in Nigeria, so the network is a bit low.
He was suspended for his disrespect to
disrespect. Okay.
Yeah, disrespect.
To constituted authority.
Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Okay.
In addition, he was suspended for going behind the college to buy the staff quarters from federal government.
Hold on.
Sorry?
I'm not aware of that.
Okay.
Hold on. He was also suspended for going
behind the college to go and buy staff quarters from federal government.
That was never brought before the college.
Okay.
That what you are talking about was never brought before the college, so I'm not aware of that.
Also suspended for going behind the college to buy government property.
Yes, sir.
That was never brought for the college. Okay, he says he's not aware of that. Next.
Okay. Are you also aware that he was also queried for tampering with documents, the files, staff files, tampering with documents in staff employment file? Are you aware of that?
I am not aware of that. I am not aware. I am a bona fide member of ESCO, and such grave allegation of that nature should have been. I am not aware of such.
Okay. Since when did you become a member of ESCO?
Hold on. So when did you become a member of ESCO?
When
did you become a member of ESCO?
As far back as 2015. In fact, go beyond that, as far back as 2010. I've been ESCO.
Since when?
I say as far back as 2010, I've been ESCO and still ESCO up to the genesis of this case.
Okay. So the query given to him for tampering with files, if it was given before you became a member of ESCO, it will not come to your knowledge.
Hold on. So the query given
for him for tampering with files, with documenting files. If it was given to him before your membership with ESCO, you will not be aware of that query.
Hold on, let me get that. So the query given for tampering with files, if it was given before your membership
Of ESCO,
you
would not be aware of that query.
What's the answer? Dr. Tahir,
Huh?
did you get the question?
Listen, if even past decisions that ESCO take, those decisions are part and parcel of our records. If you become ESCO, you must be furnished with those decisions. So as far as I'm concerned,
Dr. Tahir. Hold on. Hold on.
I don't mind the level that's why we need to protect that. The question is speculated if the query was given man to the claimant before he became the president, the head of the there is no evidence from that man that anybody was a query was given to when he did not I think the fact that we have consistently said that those documents because of the length of time for 5 years, the last question
I ask you this question that queries given before you came to office are not within your knowledge.
Your Honor,
He has said so in many words. That's my case. Please sit down. Not done that. Done that too. Sit down. There's no reason for aggression. Not. He said he was not aware of any query. And I said, when did you become the member of Congress? I said 2010. Now I'm taking you back to pre-2010. If he says he knows, let him say he knows.
The query should be part of the evidence of the the legacy has the it cannot be on a query that is not he said if there was a query to my own mind it's not a question and as such it's not if you cannot
Yes, my lord.
Let's abandon this question. I said we'll abandon this question and move on.
As the call pleases. Now, I would like to ask you that after becoming that the letter.
It is 11:37 now.
Will,
Can we round up this examination?
if you don't interject again. Yes, the letter written to you by Okachi was for a review or appeal to you, was for a review of the newly introduced handbook. Am I right? Was asking you to appeal to him to review it. Am I right?
Hold on. You said the letter written by the claimant to review the
introduction of the handbook. It's for him to review it.
By the claimant. What I have is the letter written by the claimant
to him
to review the handbook.
Yes, it's for him to an appeal for him to review the introduction of the handbook.
The letter written by the claimant to review the introduction of the handbook. Yeah, so what's the question?
I said the letter was for him to assist in reviewing the introduction of the handbook. It has been introduced, he wants it to be withdrawn, so to say, to review its introduction.
So the letter written by claimant to
the witness,
the subpoena witness.
Yes, it's for him to assist in reviewing the decision to introduce
review the decision.
kind of.
So the letter written by the claimant to the subpoena witness to review the decision of introduction of the handbook.
Yes, my lord.
That's the question.
Yes. The letter was to which the witness was the chairman. So the letter the supreme witness.
He has given evidence that he is he was given evidence as chairman of FNGPC. Am I right? Who is it? Who is the chairman? Who is it?
Chairman. If you tell the letter was written to this committee, accepted. But if you say the letter was written to this, no letter was written to the witness. The letter was written to the FNGPC.
Of which the supreme witness was the chair.
Okay. So that the question.
Okay, let me write that.
Well, the witness also responded in his personal email.
Hold on. So the letter written by the CW1 to the GPC,
FNGPC chairman
and GPC chair to review the introduction of the handbook. So, Lance, are you asking him to confirm this statement or what? Are you asking him to confirm?
And that's why we say he's saying that we are coming 5 times. And when we are joined again, now we are coming back again.
What he asked the man on that was written by the
hold on, is headed appeal for review of retirement age.
What exhibit is that?
C26. I don't know why my life is just jumping up.
C26.
For review of retirement age.
So what's the question about this document?
For him to confirm the review, then I will now ask another question as to whether whatever we have done in his capacity as chair, confirm first. He confirms. Have you seen it now? Are we wasting time?
Okay, address the witness then.
Yes, please, can you confirm that is for approach you or approach your office for a review of the introduced staff handbook. Staff handbook. Please shut up your mouth, please. What's all this?
Please don't do that.
Very irritating. I don't lose my temper.
We have students in the gallery.
I have not done cases like this before. Every second is
I know we are doing Zoom online. So we have to be cautious.
I don't know.
Another said staff handbook appeal for review of retirement age. Everything is contesting.
Let's not withdraw that.
You should respect boundaries. You should respect boundaries. I was sitting down, I was standing downstairs before this class had been saying, "God is sitting, come up." What's your business? It's so, I don't know. Quite honestly, I have not done a case like this before. Somebody gets easily irritated like this. Well, I'm so sorry about that. I do apologize.
Okay.
The activity is for the review of the retirement age. If my Lord look at our all the only issue with this hand was the retirement age. And we said intention of that was more engine by the second and second grader who was desperate to retire to remove the payment from the college. There is no connectivity for all the pages of the college. And that was to ask the F&D who is constitutionally empowered to determine the way of the staff under the constitution of the college. Is the F&D that has to determine and then make recommendation. So what the letter is to ask the F&D to reduce the retirement age. So it was not calling for total overhaul of the or to take aside the staff handbook. So and that is the proper information I want the learners when asking this question to pass it appropriately to the witness so that it's not misled.
No, I'm sorry. I promise that I'll finish in 5 minutes, but I'm unable to do so for interjection reason. And I need to leave for an appointment. Yes, my Lord, I'm not able to because I need to keep an appointment. Yeah. I need to keep a medical appointment at 12. There's so much interjection there and there. So, luckily, we have today, tomorrow, and Thursday. I plan to finish, but all this interjection. Next question I ask again, interjection. My Lord, yes. We are here tomorrow and Thursday. Greet ladies. If there is no interjection, we will have finished everything you are contesting. No, I have to quickly rush out for the appointment. I will finish, but we need to ask him to please. I know, my Lord, but there's so much interjection. That's the problem I have. We are on this special examination because it's only 17 paragraph affidavit that statement on code that the witness made before this court. And from onset, we made it categorical that the witness is coming to confirm that the position letter of the member state, member country, we are actually the position letter. And he came and confirmed it. And then it's not this our staff witness. The statement on code,
they have exhaustively dealt with that because we want to proceed in this matter. My thinking was that today would be the last day for this structure, so that they put in their own witnesses for tomorrow and next. Tomorrow and next. If they do 2020 matter. I have seen on the notice board of this court that 20 minutes for cross-examination. I don't know why our own case is different.
How's it possible? Oh, no, I will do it. I'm grateful, sir.
It's only two. As a conclusion. And the only witness they have is the second defendant that has disposed to statement of oath since this matter started. Only yesterday, they served me the motion for more